everyone. If you're still watching this video, that means you truly love me and you do want to watch the next part of it. I promise you that the next part is going to be really interesting and different, because that is the vlog that I come back to my college, Aiims Delhi here. So love you all, and please comment about the things you can relate when you go back to your college or your hostel, and something you want to watch specifically. So I would love to share with you all. Thank you so much. Bye.